The cooking channels have taken over the world. I mean, even here we have reality competition between the Thai kids. Let me tell you, it's very intense.
What you doing, monkey? Huh?
Although Bryson would rather eat than watch it.
What are they doing on there, Bryson? When you get big, you can go on there. Som, I think you should go on there, Som. Som, you need to go on the TV. Som, you have to go to Bangkok. You can win the cooking show. You can become rich and famous. Yes, you can become rich and famous. Som, Suai, Som, Suai, Som, Suai. Oh my God. The pressure's on. Fry that up quickly. Where you going, monkey? Where you going, monkey? Oh, you gonna clean? Are you gonna clean? What a good boy. What a good boy. He said, Dad, I don't have time to watch TV. I have to clean this room. My goodness, Daddy. I have to clean this room. Yes, I do. My job is never done. I'm always so busy. I have to come over here and clean, and come over there and clean, and come everywhere and clean. I have to brush. I have to sweep. My goodness. Yeah. So... Som, come on, I want to put this on YouTube, Som. Som, YouTube. Som, YouTube. Get Som. You get Som. You get Som. You clean her. What? Clean her butt. You don't know if she cleaned her butt or not. Huh? Say, Daddy, I'm not gonna clean her butt. That would be crazy. That's my cousin, Daddy. And she clean anyway. She ob-nom, Daddy. Yeah. She already took a shower.
Those are good.
Som, aloy.
Yes. These are from Jack and Jill. They're actually very good cheese-flavored chips. So, oh, yeah, so we have the... Pepsi dominates over here, of course. You can get this at the 7-Eleven or the Tesco Lotus. But this is Pepsi. It is zero sugar raspberry flavored. It's actually very good. Yeah, that's right. That's right. We even had KFC today. Got some tuna here from KFC. And I have some chicken nuggets over there. And I love KFC. KFC is delicious. KFC, aloy mak mak. Oh, what did you... Let's see what they made here. That looks pretty tasty. What are you doing, monkey? What are you doing over there? Huh? My goodness. Are you cleaning the fan for Mama? What a good boy. Actually, if you could clean the air conditioner, it's kind of... I think we need to clean those filters. Oh, that looks pretty good. What was that? Som, Suai. Som, Suai. Bryson. Are you cleaning the fan? Are you cleaning the fan? Yeah, good boy. That's a good boy. But Bryson, you're going to miss the end of the show and you're not going to know who won. You say, Daddy, I'm busy. I am busy, Daddy. I have to clean this fan. Yeah. He's
so busy. My goodness.
เชฟแล้วก็อยากเปิดร้านอาหารได้สำเร็จแล้วก็ต่อไปอยากเลี้ยงพ่อแม่แล้วก็ให้พ่อแม่ภูมิใจครับ
Yay!
เพราะฉะนั้นหนูต้องตั้งใจและมุ่งมั่นเต็มที่กับสิ่งที่หนูฝันค่ะเก่งมากค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
ครับคุณครับ
ผมว่ารู้สึก
Master Chef.
Oh my God, Bryson is still working over there. Still busy, my goodness.
He's a very busy boy. Yes, he is.
Oh, what you doing now? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where you going? What you doing over there?
That looks pretty good.
จะทำเป็นเหมือนขนมอบ
Ooh, alloy, alloy.
ไว้ด้วยให้มันเป็นอาหารคาว
Some good looking seafood right there, baby. Some good looking seafood right there, baby. You know what I'm talking about? I think you do know what I'm talking about.
Bryson, what you getting into now? Huh? Let me get a little closer look there. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing over there? My goodness gracious. My goodness gracious.
Ooh, wow, man. That food looked pretty good. Yeah.
สะดุ้งเกลือก็ใส่เกลือลงไปแทนน้ำมันแล้วเสร็จแล้วเรา
He be tripping, man. That boy be tripping.
Bryson, what you doing? Huh? What you doing over there, monkey? Daddy sure does love you. Yeah, Daddy sure does love. Say, Daddy, I know that. You tell me every minute, every day. 10 times, 15, 20 times every day, Daddy.
จานนี้เป็นเส้นโซบะ
It looks like we got some noodles going on around there.
ชีสครับ
Surrounded by some delicious looking seafood. I will say that it's a pretty good meal. I will say that looks pretty good, right? So,
What's Som doing? Huh? Oh, you love Som, don't you? Yeah, you love Som. Yes, you do. What you doing? What you doing, Som? Watching TV? You take Som over there. What you doing? Huh? My goodness gracious. My goodness, where you going? Where you taking her? Huh? Oh, Som got you now. Som got you now. Yeah.
Oh my God, we're missing the taste test. What does she think? What does she think?
โอ้ยโอ้มาลูกมา
Dun, 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 dun.
มีรถมือดีไหมคะ
Cue the suspenseful music.
But I don't know. I try to watch TV, but there's just a cute little boy running around here, and I gotta watch him, and then a pretty girl over there, that's his cousin Som, and they just are two little cutie pies. And Som takes very good care of Bryson. Yes, she does. Yeah, Som takes very good care of her cousin. Yeah. Oh my God! Oh my God! Who got you? Who got you? Yeah. What are you two doing? What are you two doing?
นี่คือจานสองเทพเจ้าแห่งท้องทะเลครับฝั่งปูก็จะเป็นปูพิวเล่แล้วก็ปูนึ่งที่วางไว้ด้านบนครับ ส่วนปลาจะเอาไปเซียแล้วก็เอาไปอบ
Wow, that looks good.
คือขิงที่ผัดน้ำปลาครับ
That's some good looking fish. Mmm. Wow, he got his nose right in there. That's awesome. That is truly awesome. Those are very good sounds. I think you should eat some. They're delicious.
Oh, what are you doing? Yeah, Bryson likes those cheese-flavored chips. Yes, he does. Oh, that's good, Daddy. Yeah, delicious. 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 It was delicious. Som, can you say goodbye? Bye. Bryson. Bye-bye. Joop, Bryson. Bryson. Look, Daddy's saying bye-bye. Bryson. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you, good boy. Bye-bye. Bye, Som. Goodbye, Som. Joop, Som. Bye-bye.